Or like the
Yung pointed brush ang gagamitin mo. Kasi iwasan mo yung yellow. Another technique is, di ba yung toothpick? Pukpukin mo yung dulo ng toothpick. May miniature brush ka na. So ang mangyayari, habang nagbabrush ka, hindi mo tinatamaan yung yellow kasi hindi siya nag-overlap dun. Pag nakalampas ka na dito sa banda rito, pwede ka na gumamit ng malaking brush.
So if you buy one of these, they will know the difference anymore. Yes, they need to. That's like that thing first came out in Japan. December last year.
Patay.
Days pa lang siya.